Welcome to our tech channel. Today, we're excited to bring you the Infinix GT 10 Pro, a smartphone that's been making headlines with its impressive features and competitive pricing. Let's take a closer look at what this phone has to offer. The Infinix GT 10 Pro sports a 6.67-inch display with a resolution that ensures a vivid and immersive visual experience. The phone is powered by the Dimensity 8EV50 chipset, which provides smooth and efficient performance. With 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, the Infinix GT 10 Pro offers plenty of space for all your apps and media. It runs on Android 13, giving you access to the latest features and security updates. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 108 megapixel camera that captures stunning photos with great detail and clarity. The phone also features a 4700 mAh battery, which should keep you going all day long. The Infinix GT 10 Pro was announced in 2023 and has been well received for its balance of performance and price. The price of this phone is around 24,999 Indian rupees or 260 euros. It's a great option for those looking for a powerful smartphone on a budget. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tech reviews and news. Stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.